In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order on Taobao 2025, step by step. If you placed an order by mistake or changed your mind, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to tap and what to expect so you can cancel with confidence. First, open the Taobao app and sign in to your account. From the home screen, go to the profile area labeled My Taobao. In Chinese, you'll see it as 我的 Taobao. It's typically at the bottom right. Once you're there, tap All Orders or Quan Bu Ding Dan. This takes you to a dashboard that lists everything you've purchased, including pending, shipped, and completed orders. Find the specific order you want to cancel. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar to narrow it down by product name. When you've located the right order, look for the Cancel Order button shown as Kuxiao Ding Dan. If the seller hasn't shipped yet, this option usually appears right on the order card or inside the order details. Tap it to proceed. If you don't see cancel order, look for refund/return shown as Tui Quan Tui Huo. This appears when the seller has already processed the order or it's moving towards shipment. Tapping refund/return starts the refund request flow instead of an immediate cancellation. The app will guide you based on the order's status. Next, you'll be asked to choose a cancellation reason. Pick the one that fits best, such as ordered by mistake. Providing an accurate reason helps the platform and the seller process your request smoothly. After selecting the reason, confirm your cancellation. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Once you accept, the request is submitted. When the cancellation goes through, the order will close and your refund begins processing automatically. Refunds return to your original payment method, and timing can vary depending on your bank, card provider, or wallet service. You can keep an eye on the same order page to see status updates as they appear. A few tips to make this easier. The Chinese labels you'll see are My Taobao, 我的 Taobao, All Orders, Quan Bu Ding Dan, Cancel Order, Kuxiao Ding Dan, and Refund/Return, Tui Quan Tui Huo. If the cancel button is temporarily unavailable, try refreshing the page or waiting a few minutes. Orders can lock briefly during payment checks. Also, policies can differ by shop.